Dear students, I welcome you all for your today's class. This is a video of the pros empowered women navigating the world part 2. Students, today women have come out of the shackles of tradition imposed roles. They are making rapid strides in all walks of life. They prove themselves that they are equal to men. When women support each other, incredible things happen. This is the best example for the 6 crew members who made our country to feel proud. INSV Tarini was the second sailboat of the Indian Navy. Students, in the previous lesson, I explained about the INSV Tarini, the second sailboat of Indian Navy, which was sailed around the world only by the 6 crew women members. Let us discuss how these 6 crew members were selected and what was their adventurous deeds through their voyage. All these incidents will be narrated in this video. Please listen to the video carefully. Navikesh Sagar Parikrama was a project undertaken in agreement with the national policy to empower women to attain their full potential. The Indian Navy's 6 crew members gave an interview about their great voyage. Through their personal experiences, we really come to know their hardships and unpredictable challenges. They have faced many challenges all through their expeditions. Bhatika Joshi, the chief commander of all the 6 crew members, expressed that they were not familiar with any one of them. None of them had sailed before. They built determination through 3 years of training. They started with theoretical courses on navigation, communication, and weather prediction. The 6 crew members were trained how to repair things and how to deal with emergencies when the weather gets rough. They were trained in all tactical aspects. Bhatika Joshi further added that the family had a hard time because most of them had never ever seen the sea. 4 of them were from the mountains. Still, all their family members were quite supportive. They were fearful, but at the same time, they were supportive. Bhatika's strenuous effort made the circumnavigation successful only on following the rules. The 6 crew members never crossed their rules. Honesty was the only quality which enabled them to complete the expedition successfully. Bhatika felt easy to work with all others because they could discuss different ways of solving a problem and choose the best one. Aishwarya said the trip was a tutorial for them on how to manage food, water, even electricity during their big voyage. She explained the selection process. She said, out of 30 women who had applied, 6 of them were shortlisted based on the little survival skills. The 6 crew members expressed their adventurous deeds during their voyage. They witnessed the brilliant southern lights from sea. It was rare to watch that in those months, that too from the sea. They witnessed a variety of sea creatures. They spotted a dead sperm whale once, and they thought it was an island from a distance. It was so huge. During circumnavigation, they picked up some hobbies and kept posting pictures of delicacies like golgappas and cakes. All the 6 crew members shared their own experiences during their interview. They said they also read books when the weather was unpleasant and did some quilling and craft work. While team leader Joshi read comics and the Ramayana during her journey. 6 crew members were always entertained. They watched movies, listened to music. They made parathas, baked cakes and breads, and even made halwa and rasagullas. They celebrated festivals too. They celebrated Diwali at sea. They celebrated 3 birthdays, including the first birthday of the boat, and also specific occasions like crossing the equator, the international date line, and such. Dear students, these 6 crew members not only circumnavigated around the world by proving their efficiency and their potential, but also they enjoyed a lot. So this shows that it's a matter of great honor, and they couldn't have imagined anything better for our cast out. The all-women crew deemed it a rare privilege, as the sea treated them on par with men. Sea was gender neutral. They had to be tough to withstand the challenges thrown against them in mid-waves. They feel proud, as a successful voyage shall boost the morale of Indian women to take up daring adventures like sailing and trekking, and prove their mettle in a world dominated by women. Students, life doesn't always give us what we deserve, but rather what we demand. And so, you must continue to push harder than any person in the room. Hope you would understand the lesson well. Thank you, students.